Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful butterfly crochet wig, and this braid was actually sent to me from a company called Getgal wig. They're actually on Amazon. I'll put their link down my description box, so in case you want to go ahead to order this braid. So this is what the butterfly braid actually looks like. It's really soft and nice, and then it came with a crochet pin, some hair clips, and then some hair accessories to go with the hair. Guys, for this tutorial I'm going to be using this closure. So all I'm doing is sewing down the closure on the crochet wig cap. So I have a very detailed tutorial on how I made a fauxloc wig. I'll be linking that down to this video, so you could just go ahead and watch that if you really want a detailed tutorial. So guys, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to give this video thumbs up, click the like button, and also drop comments down below. So you guys should just keep watching, because at the end of this video I will tell you guys what I really loved about the hair, the pros and the cons of this hair, and also if you should go ahead to order this hair. So guys, gently you want to bring out the loophole on the butterfly crochet braids, because it's really small, so you want to do that gently. And then I'll be passing the crochet hook into the braids on the closure. Then I would pass the butterfly crochet braids. I'm going to now pass both the butterfly braids and the crochet braid into the loop hole, and then I'll secure it. I'll go ahead, put the crochet pin through the crochet braids, and then I would pull the closure braids out. So you guys should just keep watching, and then you would get to understand what I'm actually doing. guys, after making the wig, I just went ahead to trim the flyovers, and then I'm going to be going in with mousse. But when you're trimming it, be careful because this is actually a distressed butterfly lock hair. So mousse just to keep the hair together looking nice, and also I'm going to be spraying the crochet braids. Then here I will just go ahead to cut out the lace on the closure. So guys, if you've watched to this point and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also do not forget to drop comments. So I'll just go ahead to use edge control to lay my baby hair, and then I'll be putting on this wig. So for this wig, I really love this wig. This is the first time I'm actually getting a butterfly crochet braid. So thank you Getgal wig for sending me this wig. So it actually came in 6 packs and had 12 braids in each of them in color 1. And also too, if you go to their website, they also have different colors you could pick from. The hair is light, and also too, I'll be leaving a link of this hair down my description box. So in case you want to order this hair, just click the link. And for shipping, yes, their shipping is really very reliable, so you don't have a problem with shipping at all. So thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, just drop it down my comment section. I respond to every comment. So guys, these braids actually came with some hair accessories, and then I'll be accessorizing the hair just to give it that extra beauty. So you too can go ahead to do that, but if you don't want to, it's up to you. Whichever works for you is fine. So this is it guys for this video, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Do not please forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video thumbs up, drop comments down below, and I'll see you all in my next one. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye for now.